Looking to build the ultimate PC in 2025? Whether you're gaming, editing, or multitasking like a pro, the right CPU makes all the difference. In this video, we reveal the top 5 best CPU processors that deliver unbeatable performance and productivity this year. From high-speed cores to next-gen features, these picks are built to power your passion. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started. At number 5, we have the AMD Ryzen 5 5600 CPU processor, a solid pick for budget-conscious gamers and desktop users. Built on a 7nm process, this 6-core, 12-thread processor offers smooth multitasking and responsive performance across a range of applications. With a base clock of 3.5 GHz and support for PCIe 4.0, it delivers faster data access and reduced load times. Though it lacks integrated graphics, it pairs beautifully with a discrete GPU, making it ideal for mid-tier gaming rigs. The Ryzen 5 5600 supports DDR4 memory and is compatible with AM4 socket motherboards, especially the AMD B550 series. It also maintains a modest 65W TDP, offering power efficiency without sacrificing capability. Perfect for gaming, streaming, and everyday productivity, this chip delivers reliable performance at an attractive price point. At number 4 is the AMD Ryzen 5 7400F, a solid choice for gamers seeking power and efficiency. Built on a modern 7nm chip process, it delivers impressive performance while maintaining low power consumption. This CPU features 6 cores and 12 threads, perfect for smooth multitasking and demanding gaming sessions. With a boost clock up to 4.7 GHz, it offers quick response times and seamless gameplay. Support for PCIe 4.0 ensures faster data transfer speeds, improving load times and overall system performance. Designed for the new AM5 socket, the Ryzen 5 7400F fits into the latest motherboards, future-proofing your build. This processor balances power, speed, and value, making it a top pick for both gaming and productivity in 2025. At number 3, the AMD Ryzen 5 7600X is a powerhouse designed for gaming and productivity. It features 6 cores and 12 threads to handle multitasking effortlessly. With a base clock of 4.7 GHz, it delivers fast, smooth performance. Built on a cutting-edge 5nm chip process, this CPU offers excellent efficiency and power. It supports the latest PCIe 5.0 standard, ensuring faster data transfer and better future compatibility. The Ryzen 5 7600X also supports DDR5 memory, which boosts overall system speed. With a 105W TDP and integrated GPU, this processor balances power and versatility for a wide range of desktop uses. Its 32MB L3 cache further enhances gaming and workload speeds. The Ryzen 5 7600X stands out as a top choice for 2025 gaming and productivity builds. At number 2, the AMD Ryzen 5 9600X stands out as a powerful CPU for gaming and productivity. It features 6 cores and 12 threads, providing smooth multitasking and high performance. The processor can boost up to an impressive 5.4 GHz, ensuring ultra-fast responsiveness. Built on a 4nm chip process, the CPU balances power efficiency with speed. It supports the latest PCIe 5.0 and DDR5 memory, making it compatible with modern motherboards such as the AMD X570 and newer models. With 38MB game cache and integrated graphics, it delivers reliable performance for gaming and creative tasks. It runs at a low 65W TDP, keeping power consumption manageable. The Ryzen 5 9600X is a top choice for gamers and professionals seeking a blend of speed and efficiency in 2025. At number 1, the AMD Ryzen 7 7800X3D, a powerhouse built for gamers and content creators alike. With 8 cores and 16 threads, it delivers elite-level multitasking and blazing performance in demanding workloads. Clocking up to 5.7 GHz, this CPU is engineered for speed. The massive 96MB of L3 cache ensures rapid data access, perfect for fast-paced gaming and heavy rendering tasks. Built on a 5nm process, it offers power efficiency with high performance. It supports DDR5 memory and PCIe 5.0, ensuring compatibility with the latest motherboards and GPUs. With a 120W TDP, a quality cooling solution is recommended. Designed for the AM5 socket, the Ryzen 7 7800X3D is future-ready. It's one of the best choices for gamers and professionals looking to maximize performance in 2025.